So hello everyone. In this video, we are going to look at another algorithm which is called as bubble sort. From now on, next few lectures will be on sorting algorithms. And let me first make it clear that as far as sorting algorithms are concerned, so some of the sorting algorithms uh, do not require recursion. They just, require some logic and they are written using simple loops. Okay. However, some sorting algorithms require recursion, like, quick sort, merge sort, or even, sometimes along with recursion, they also require, knowledge of backtracking. But we haven't started recursion or backtracking yet. Okay, so what we will do is in upcoming videos, we will discuss only those sorting algorithms that do not require recursion and can be easily understood using basic knowledge of loops and logic building. Okay, and once we are done with recursion, once we are done with recursion, after that we will learn those algorithms that require recursion as well. Okay, so I hope it is clear. So, mhm, hmm. Bubble sort. What is the idea behind the bubble sort? What is the idea behind the bubble sort? It's simple. Okay. What does bubble sort state? At the end of each iteration, at the end of each, at the end of each iteration, comma, the maximum number will be pushed at end. The maximum number will be pushed at end. Okay. So it's as simple as that. Now, what is its meaning? What is its relevance? We will learn it. Okay, don't worry. So, in order to learn it, okay, we will see that it's dry run. But before jumping into dry run, I hope you guys are clear with logic of swapping. I have discussed it in some of my previous videos. So, what is logic of swapping? If logic of swapping, x is having value 5, y is having value 10, and then what we do is we declare a variable temp is equal to x, then x is equal to y, and then y is equal to temp, and after this x will have now value 10 and y will now have value 5. Okay, so I hope this logic of swapping is very clear. Okay, I hope this logic of swapping is very clear. Great. um, Done. So let's now jump to the dry, dry run. Okay, so okay, what does bubble sort say? We start by comparing. Okay, 5 and 4, are they sorted? No, they are not sorted. 4 must come before 5. 4 5 से पहले आना चाहिए, right? So swap 4 5 1 3 2. ओके, सो यहाँ पे हमको एक कंपैरिजन लगा. ओके, हमने एक कंपैरिजन किया. ओके, हमने क्या किया? कंपेयर किया 5 and 4 को, and then we swap them. Okay, similarly, now again compare 5 and 1. Compare 5 and 1. Okay, are they sorted? No, they are not sorted, right? 1 5 से पहले आना चाहिए, so swap 4 1 5 3 2. Correct. Now again compare 5 and 3. तो अभी तक दो कंपैरिजन लगे and now this is the third comparison. Okay, compare 5 and 3. Okay, are they sorted? No, 3 5 से पहले आना चाहिए. Correct. So 4 1 3 5 2. Perfect. Done. Next what? Again we compare 5 and 2. Are they sorted? No, they are not. So again swap 4 1 3 after swapping 2 comes here 5 at the last. परफेक्ट. नाउ अभी एक इटरेशन खत्म हुआ. ठीक है, कैसे खत्म हुआ? बिकॉज 5 इज नाउ एट द एंड एंड अभी लास्ट में कंपेयर करने के लिए कुछ बचा है नहीं. सो हाउ मेनी कंपेरिजन्स वी रिक्वायर्ड? एक कंपैरिजन यहाँ पे हुआ, एक कंपैरिजन यहाँ पे हुआ, एक यहाँ पे, देन आई थिंक यहाँ पे. ठीक है, दैट्स इट. सो वी रिक्वायर्ड हाउ मेनी? 4 कंपैरिजन. हमें 4 कंपैरिजन लगे, राइट? हमें 4 कंपैरिजन लगे. ठीक है. सो याद रखो. ठीक है, मैं यहाँ पे लिख देता हूँ फर्स्ट इटरेशन 4 कंपैरिजन्स, 4 कंपैरिजन्स रिक्वायर्ड. ओके, 4 कंपैरिजन्स रिक्वायर्ड. इस स्टेप में हमने कहा कुछ कंपेयर किया? कुछ था ही नहीं. यहाँ पे बेसिकली फर्स्ट इटरेशन एंड हुआ है हमारा, राइट? यहाँ पे हमारा फर्स्ट इटरेशन एंड हुआ है. नाउ अगेन मैंने क्या बोला था? एट द एंड ऑफ ईच इटरेशन the maximum number will be pushed at the end, correct? So first iteration खत्म होने के बाद, after ending of first iteration, what you can observe is 5, which was the highest number, has automatically been placed at the last position, which is its desired position. Correct? Correct. Now let's start with second iteration. Okay, so ये ऐसे का ऐसा ही है. पहले तो हम वैसा ही लिख देते हैं 3 2 5. Okay, so second iteration will now start from here. Okay, again start comparing. Are 4 and 1 sorted? No, they are not. 1 must come before 4. Okay. So swap 1 4 3 2 5. Okay. So हमने यहाँ पे एक कंपैरिजन किया. ठीक है. So अभी अभी तक एक कंपैरिजन करा. Now again compare 4 and 3. Are they sorted? No, they are not. 3 must come before 4. Swap 1 3 4 2 5. Okay. Now again compare 4 and 2. Okay, compare 4 and 2. Are they sorted? No, they are not. 2 must come before 4, right? So swap 1 3 2 4 5. Correct? 1 3 2 4 5. Now अभी ध्यान दो. ठीक है, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. नाउ अभी हम बेवकूफ जैसे 4 एंड 5 को कंपेयर नहीं करेंगे. Okay, we will not compare 4 and 5. Why? There is a reason. Because first iteration के बाद हमको already पता है कि 5 has been placed at its desired position. So जब 4 second last position पे आ जाएगा, so there is no point in comparing 4 and 5, right? And 4 second last position पे आ गया, इसका मतलब ही है 4 is now at its desired position. So at the end of second iteration, okay, so at the end of second iteration 4 has been placed at its desired position. Okay, 4 has been placed at its desired position, correct? एंड हमने हमको कंपैरिजन कितने लगे? हमने एक कंपैरिजन यहाँ किया 1 2 3, दैट्स इट. हमने चौथा कंपैरिजन नहीं किया. यहाँ पे हमने 4 एंड 5 को कंपेयर नहीं किया. ओके, सो सेकेंड इटरेशन 3 comparisons required. Okay, 3 comparisons required. Okay, I hope this is clear. तो तुमने एक चीज नोटिस करी, जैसे जैसे हम आगे के इटरेशंस में जा रहे हैं हमको कम comparisons लग रहे हैं. करेक्ट? सो दिस इज आफ्टर सेकेंड इटरेशन. नाउ लेट्स जंप इनटू थर्ड इटरेशन. ओके, सो पहले तो हम इसको एज इट इज लिख देते हैं 4 5. ओके, so compare 1 and 3. Are they sorted? Yes, they are sorted. Okay, so we will not swap. Okay, so we will not swap. But so let me first write this as it is. We will not swap. Okay, अब इस देखो अभी स्वैप नहीं किया, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि हमने कंपैरिजन नहीं किया. हमने कंपेयर करा ना. अब वो ऑलरेडी सॉर्टेड है, मतलब 1 शुड बी बिफोर 3. दिस इज करेक्ट. तो हमने स्वैप नहीं किया बट हमने कंपेयर तो करा ना. सो दिस इज काउंटेड एज अ कंपैरिजन. ओके, दिस इज काउंटेड एज अ कंपैरिजन. ओके, सो 1 3 2 4 5. ओके, सो Now again, so we did a comparison, sorted, so no swapping, write it as it is. Now compare 3 and 2. Are they sorted? No, they are not. So swapping required. Okay. So what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now again, important point. अभी हम बेवकूफ जैसे 3 and 4 को कंपेयर नहीं करेंगे, because after second iteration we already know that 4 has been placed at its desired position. 4 has been placed at its desired position. तो हम सिर्फ यही तक लाएंगे as soon as number 3 reaches third last position. ठीक है, we will stop. We will definitely not compare further. We will definitely not compare further. Okay. So कितने कंपैरिजंस लगे? एक कंपैरिजन यहाँ पे, इवन दो स्वैपिंग नहीं हुई, हमने कंपेयर तो करा. सो वन कंपैरिजन हियर एंड वन कंपैरिजन हियर. ओके, एंड इसके बाद हमने 3 और 4 को कंपेयर नहीं करा है. सो ओनली टू कंपैरिजंस. ओके, सो ओनली टू कंपैरिजन आफ्टर थर्ड iteration. Okay, so in third iteration, two comparisons required. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now fourth iteration. Okay, now fourth iteration. Okay, we will first write this as it is. Okay, we'll compare 1 and 2. Okay, is it as it is? Yes, so no swapping required. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, तो अभी हम 2 और 3 को कंपेयर नहीं करेंगे. Why? Because at the end of third iteration हमें पता है कि 3 has been automatically placed at its desired location. So there is no point in comparing 2 and 3 now. So इसमें हमको कितने कंपैरिजन लगे? एक ही कंपैरिजन लगा, इवन दो स्वैपिंग नहीं हुई, हमने कंपेयर तो किया. सो ओनली वन कंपैरिजन. सो फोर्थ इटरेशन, फोर्थ इटरेशन के बाद वन कंपैरिजन रिक्वायर्ड. ओके, इट्स as simple as that. ठीक है, let's just now jump into the code. To save time I have already coded it. Okay, so let me just walk through the code. ठीक है, we have declared array, we are printing it before sorting, then we called our function, then after our function has been called, that is bubble sort function, we are again printing it to check if the array is sorted. Okay, now in bubble sort, the return type would be integer array type, because we are returning an integer array in the sorted form. Okay, so what we have done is we have first declared a variable n, which is equal to length of array, given array. Okay, now here we are requiring two for loops. Okay, for int I is equal to 0, I less than n minus 1, I plus plus, as usual whatever we do. Okay, int I is equal to 0, I less than ar dot length minus 1, I plus plus. Okay, int j is equal to 0, j less than n minus I minus 1. Okay, n minus I minus 1. Why? Now why n minus I minus 1? और इसको हम ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं, j is equal to n minus 1. ठीक है, हम I को कहाँ से लेके जा रहे हैं? We are taking I from 0 to n minus 1, but for j we will take it from 0 to n minus 1 minus I. Okay, we will take it from 0 to n minus 1 minus I. So either you remember n minus 1 minus I, or you remember n minus I minus 1, whatever is comfortable to you. Okay, so for now थोड़ा लेस कंफ्यूजन हो, इसलिए आई विल राइट j लेस देन n minus 1 minus I, j plus plus. Okay, now why n minus 1 minus I? रीजन. ओके, ठीक है, जब मैंने ड्राई रन किया, सो आई टोल्ड यू, ठीक है, यहाँ पे फर्स्ट इटरेशन खत्म हुआ, तो जब सेकंड इटरेशन चालू होगा, ठीक है, सेकंड इटरेशन जब मेरा चालू होगा, तब मैं पूरा ट्रैवर्स नहीं किया, मैंने सिर्फ यहाँ तक ट्रैवर्स किया, सेकेंड लास्ट पोजीशन. सो वन लेस देन प्रीवियस. ओके, सो वन लेस देन प्रीवियस, एंड देन जब थर्ड बार आया, तब मैंने पूरा नहीं गया मैं, मैं सिर्फ यहाँ तक गया बिकॉज मेरे को पता था 4 and 5 आर ऑलरेडी सॉर्टेड. सिमिलरली इन द लास्ट इटरेशन मैंने सिर्फ यहाँ तक गया बिकॉज आई ऑलरेडी नो दैट 3 4 5 आर ऑलरेडी सॉर्टेड. ओके. सो एवरी टाइम मुझे पूरा एरे ट्रैवर्स करने की जरूरत नहीं है. दैट्स व्हाई इन जे आई हैव टू राइट n-1 - i. सो व्हेन इनिशियली i इज 0 वो पूरा n-1 मतलब एंड तक जाएगा. ओके. बट in the second iteration when the value of I is 1, okay, it will go from 0 to n-1 minus 1, so n-2. Okay, so it will go from 0 to n-2. Why? Because the element at the last position is already sorted and we don't need to do any comparison there. Correct? I hope it is very clear. So a normal if statement, if ARR of j is greater than ARR of j plus 1, लॉजिक ऑफ स्वैपिंग. सिंपल. ARR ऑफ j इज ग्रेटर देन ARR ऑफ j प्लस 1, मतलब जो एलिमेंट पहले है वो अगर सामने वाले से बड़ा होगा. ओके. विच शुड नॉट बी द केस. आइडियली ARR ऑफ j शुड बी लेस देन, पहले जो एलिमेंट आ रहा है दैट शुड बी लेस देन ARR ऑफ j plus 1, that is next element. Okay, so we do the swapping and we return the array. Okay, so as you can see 5 4 1 3 2 is the original array and after sorting 1 2 3 4 5 is the array. Okay, so what were the key points to remember in this? Outer loop starts from I is equal to 0 less than n-1 I plus plus. Inner loop starts from j is equal to 0 j less than n-1 minus I. Okay, n-1 minus I, remember this. And then if ARR of j greater than ARR of j plus 1, we do swapping or else we proceed further. At the end we return ARR. And another thing which was very important here to remember, as soon as we proceed further in the upcoming iterations, okay, the number of comparisons required decreases. Okay, so number of comparisons required are less. Okay, so in the first iteration we required 4 comparisons, in the second we required 3 comparisons, in the third iteration 2 comparisons, in the last iteration only 1 comparison. Okay, so I hope this was all about bubble sort. If you want to take screenshot, you can pause the screen and take screenshot now. I hope logic is very clear. Start preparing notes, maintain notes, keep revising, and if you think I have done any significant contribution in your logic building, please do consider subscribing. And my only motive is to contribute to your logic building. So thank you everyone, and I will see you in the next video.